Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your image on Photoroom. So you see I have three different images on three different layers, so I can just tap on one image or tap on the layer, and I can just scroll down to color, and then you can just adjust there. So this is the primary color, and I can just slide and then tap on tolerance if you want to change that. And also this is the secondary color. So if you don't like the colors you have changed, like the setting you've made, and you don't like it, you can just tap on reset on the top there, and then it will automatically reset. So that's it, and thank you for watching.